Should you use the background noise suppression in Zoom? In this video, you will hear samples of different microphones with and without the Zoom background noise suppression. By the end of the video, you'll be able to decide if automatic background noise suppression is the right choice for your Zoom setup. My name is Markus, and on this channel I help you engage better with your audience. When I lead workshops for my corporate clients on how they can improve their video conferencing skills, one of the most important topics is always audio. So we're going to start with the worst microphone that I have, which is the built-in microphone in my laptop.
This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my ThinkPad X250. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this sample, the Zoom automatic noise suppression is active. This is an audio sample of the built-in microphone in my Lenovo ThinkPad X250. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. For this clip, I have switched off the automatic noise suppression in Zoom.
Here are the other microphones that we're going to be using for our comparison. A $20 phone headset, a $20 lavalier mic, a $70 dynamic microphone, and a $200 conference speakerphone. If you want to find out more about any of the products that I'm talking about, there are links to them in the description below this video. And stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to share a bonus tip that's going to help you in all your video conferences going forward. Let's test the microphone in a cheap phone headset.
This is an audio sample of the Veho Sports phone headset. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this clip, the Zoom noise suppression is on automatic. This is an audio sample of my Veho Sports phone headset. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this clip, the automatic noise suppression in Zoom has been switched off.
Let's do the test again with this lavalier mic that I'm using to record this video.
This is an audio sample of the BOYA by-M1 lavalier mic. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. The Zoom noise suppression is on automatic in this clip. This is an audio sample of the BOYA by-M1 lavalier mic. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. For this clip, I have switched off the automatic noise suppression in Zoom.
Now let's try the $70 dynamic microphone.
This is an audio sample of the Samson Q2U USB dynamic microphone. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this sample, the noise suppression is active. This is an audio sample of the Samson Q2U USB dynamic microphone. In this sample, I have switched off the automatic noise suppression in Zoom.
Now let's move over to this $200 Bluetooth conference speakerphone.
This is an audio sample of the Polycom Calisto 7200 connected via Bluetooth. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this clip, the Zoom noise suppression is set to automatic. This is an audio sample of the Polycom Calisto 7200 speakerphone connected via Bluetooth. Microphone check 1 2 1 2, microphone check 1 2. In this sample, I have switched off the automatic noise suppression in Zoom.
Before we move over to the analysis, let me tell you something about the way I conducted this test. The kind of background noise that I have in my space is traffic noise because there's a big intersection just outside my window and a little bit of fan noise from the laptop. I recorded all of these clips with the Zoom recording feature to give you an accurate picture of what these microphones actually sound like when you're on a call with and without the noise suppression on. Here are the conclusions that I draw from this test. The first one is that anything is really better than the built-in microphone in your laptop. So if you want to start upgrading your video conferencing setup, a better microphone is an excellent place to start. Second, The cheaper microphones really benefited from the noise suppression in Zoom, whereas in the more expensive microphones, the dynamic one and the conference speakerphone, it wasn't really such a noticeable difference. So my recommendation is that if you have a good enough microphone that doesn't pick up a lot of that background noise, then it's better to switch off the background noise suppression in Zoom. And as a result, your voice will actually sound a lot more natural because Zoom is not doing a lot of processing on it. In just a moment, I'm going to share a bonus resource with you that's going to help improve all your video conferences going forward. But if you're getting some value from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post a new video here every Thursday, and they're all about helping you engage better with your audience, whether you're doing that on stage or you're doing it on video. And here's that bonus resource for you. You can get my free video conferencing checklist with the link below this video. That checklist is going to walk you through everything that you need to prepare to have a successful video conference. One of the first tips is to prepare a backup system in case your primary system fails. Just have a look at the links below this video. And if you would like to book me as a workshop leader to help you improve your video conferencing skills, there's also contact details in the description below. Now that you know how to sound great on Zoom, the next step you should be working on is lighting. Click or tap the screen right here for my full video on how you can look great on your Zoom calls with the right lighting. We'll cover the situation where you have access to daylight and also when you don't have access to daylight. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.